Okay, this is in the parking lot of the Piggly Wiggly. Hope's in the store getting supplies for us.
Time to get the front window clean. He tried to do it at the gas station, but the gas station one didn't do a very good job. I like to see out my window too, so we're going to give the van a little bath on the windows and possibly around it. Let's see what Vit's doing. She's like, oh hell no, I'm not doing nothing. I'm staying down here where that noise is not going to bother me. There. She's not even drinking water. You coming up? Come on up. This is one of Little Bit's toys. We got her a cooling blanket. I actually washed it last night. Comes out hot out of the dryer. But now that it's dry, it's cool. So she's gonna enjoy that if she gets overheated. Home sweet home.
Okay, so the title says change of plans. So what is the change of plan? Well, we were supposed to be making videos about how to install new stuff on the vehicle, but Hope had an appointment a couple days ago, and her next one is in 5 weeks. So
I'm gonna we're hitting the road and we're heading up north and we're gonna see some fall color.
yeah, so we're heading back to where Hope got injured a year ago. Basically 12 months exactly. So yeah, we're heading back up to New Hampshire, Vermont, the New England states. Spend about 3-4 weeks up there, then we'll head back home. So that is the plan for the next 3-4 weeks.
Yeah, I have an appointment for my final appointment for my eyes at the end of the month. So houses.
At the next light, turn right.
Well, we weren't expecting to be stopped by a bridge going up, but it did. So we sat there for about 6-7 minutes, watched the boat go through, and basically a first time for that for us, but it was good. Okay, this next clip is sped up really fast. This is an 11-mile long bridge/tunnel system, and it's only going to take a minute. So, hope you enjoy this part. Not too sure about going under the water, but yeah. Okay, right by where we spent the night was this beautiful walkway that we went on. It's about half a mile there, half a mile back.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, this is where we found out that one of our microphones wasn't working, so there'll be a whole bunch of talkovers in this one. But it was beautiful.
Besides all the wildlife refuge for all the animals, we also found out that certain people can go there hunting at certain times of the year. And when we woke up this morning, some people one of the guys lost his cell phone and he couldn't meet up with his friends. And so I said maybe he'll get lucky and somebody will call and find this phone for him. But he was disappointed he missed out on it. But this trail was really, really beautiful. Lots of goldenrod and the like marguerite daisies.
And really surprised when we found a huge 16-inch shell right in the walkway. That comes up later.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. Deer. Kevin found a trail that looked like a bear came out of, and it was pretty smooth most of the way. Couple parts where the roots of the trees came across. It was a little tricky, but overall it was a really beautiful walk.
Comes to find out, this was actually a coastal gun emplacement protecting the way up to Washington, D.C. Pretty amazing. Gun tube is massive. As you can tell, Little Bit was having a blast just running around smelling everything and just running.
She loves smelling flowers. Oh, and there was a bunch of black walnuts too, so she was smelling those.
This is me trying to capture the monarch butterflies. They were beautiful. They were everywhere. Okay, so this is where we're staying for the night. This is the Virginia Welcome Center. Once you go over the big bridge and tunnel system, oh, excuse me, this is where we're staying. Really nice. Bathrooms are clean. Right over here, right there in the middle, is that walk we went on when we got here. Beautiful. Yeah, this is where we're staying. All the big rigs are down that end. And the lights just came on. Can't beat it. First thing this morning, coffee. Hot water's on. Bed's made. Yeah. A little coffee in no time. Hope you're waiting for a coffee.
I know you all are hardcore caffeine people, but I can't have caffeine, so I'm looking forward to my decaf coffee. It's better than none. If I have caffeine, it throws my heart into arrhythmias, and I get to get the shot to put, and then the shot to bring me back to life again.
Canadian bacon, right? Or just ham. It is circle ham. Canadian bacon.
Does it look like Canadian bacon?
Yeah, we'll see. Little Southwest ham, cheese, onions for breakfast. Hope you enjoy it.
I know we will.